everyone. Today I will be presenting Sustainable Development Goal 8, or also known as SDG 8, which focuses on decent work and economic growth. This goal is one of the 17 global goals established by the United Nations to help create a more sustainable, fair, and developed world. SDG 8 is especially important because it directly affects people's quality of life. Work is not just a source of income, it is connected to dignity, stability, and opportunity. When people have decent job, they can support themselves, take care of their families, and contribute to the growth of their communities. SDG 8 aims to make sure that all people have access to productive employment, fair wages, and equal opportunities to work. Around the world, many workers still faces challenges such as unemployment, low income, and unsafe working conditions. When these issues continue, poverty grows and equality gets worse. By promoting decent work, countries can become more stable, reduce poverty, and encourage long-term economic growth. In real life, SDG 8 can be applied by creating more opportunities, supporting small businesses, and offering skill training, especially to young people. Government help by enforcing labor laws and protecting workers' rights, while companies can provide safe workplaces and fair pay. This goal is also connected to the tourism and hospitality industry. Tourism creates jobs in hotel, restaurants, travel agencies, and tour operations. It also encourages fair wages, proper training, and safe working environments. Sustainable tourism helps community or local community earn income and grow their businesses, supporting both workers and the economy. To give a local example, as of December 2025, the unemployment rate in the Philippines was 4.4%, or about 2.26 million Filipinos actively looking for work. This shows that job creation is still challenged and highlights why SDG 8 is important for our country. In conclusion, SDG 8 is all about promoting decent work and stable economic growth so that people can live better, safer, and more productive lives. By supporting fair employment and safe workplaces, we help create a stronger and more sustainable future for everyone.